All right, guys, I'm going to water-fed pull this property right here. I'll show you the property in here in a minute, but I am using the Rival Basic Tucker water purification system. And right now I am letting it purify itself. So right now it's filtering out all the minerals in the water. This thing's amazing. I used it the past couple of days on a couple different properties. I knocked out like an $850 house in like 3.5 hours the other day. It was pretty crazy. This thing's a money-making machine. So yeah, so real quick, I'm gonna show you how I hooked it up. So here's the hose. It just goes right to the main house, the line, and then goes hooked up. Oops, right here. This is the first filter. It filters through, and then that's the end. And right here, so you see, as I'm filtering out the water, I'm going to lock it up right here. And now it's basically getting ready to filter through all 3 filters, and then it's going to go end out in this line. So this is the out right here. I don't have it turned on quite yet, but it's going to go through the hose and then out through the brush here in a minute once I turn that on. Just really quick here, I want to show you the hose that I'm using. It's called a pocket hose. It's really awesome because it expands when you turn the water on, and then it comes back in whenever you turn the water off. The thing you got to be careful is that if you're extending your hose with your system, you got to be sure to bring the filtration system back close into to the main source, because when the hose comes back in, it retracts and it can knock your filter over and it could break. So learn the hard way. So I normally let it filter out for about 10 to 15 minutes when I'm starting the day to make sure that everything is purified. The water is real good and purified. So I take my TDS meter, total dissolved solids. So it tells you what the water level's at. Purify it. It should be like next to 0. And if it's at 0, even better. That means it's pretty much 100% pure. And so the thing that's awesome about these is when I will go and scrub the windows, people are like, well, isn't that just gonna leave spots? No, the reason for the filtration system is that when it dries completely pure. No water spots. So I'm not gonna have to get on a ladder today. And that's gonna be good because I don't like risking my life. And when I don't have to get on a ladder, I won't get on a ladder. So today we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go.